Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're taking a closer look at the best fiber optic Christmas tree with multicolor lights for indoor decor. If you're searching for a compact, vibrant, and easy-to-set-up tree to brighten your home, office, or party space, this 3-feet pre-lit fiber optic artificial Christmas tree by Habagou could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into what makes this tabletop mini Christmas tree a standout for the holidays. Standing 3 feet tall, with dimensions of 19 inches in diameter and width, and 36 inches in height, this tree is designed to bring the festive spirit into smaller spaces without compromising on charm. The tree is made from durable polyvinyl chloride and weighs just 2.4 pounds, making it super easy to move and place anywhere you need a little holiday sparkle. The real magic, however, lies in the built-in fiber optic system. Pre-programmed with layers of multicolored light effects, it doesn't just light up, it puts on a dazzling show. The lights are arranged to create a smooth, flowing gradient of changing colors, giving you that vibrant, ever-shifting Christmas ambiance. The tree features 90 adjustable PVC branch tips that give it a lush, lifelike appearance. These flexible branches also allow you to personalize the look. Add your favorite mini ornaments, tinsel, or themed decorations. At the top sits a large, golden star that complements the fiber optic lighting beautifully, tying together the overall aesthetic with a classic holiday touch. The base is made up of 4 sturdy PVC legs to provide a stable foundation, preventing any accidental tilts or falls and ensuring your floors remain protected. Setting up this tree is a breeze. It arrives in just 2 sections. All you have to do is insert the main stem into the base, fluff out the branches, and plug it in using the included standard USB-A plug. Yes, you heard that right, it's USB powered, with a low-voltage transformer that ensures safety and energy efficiency. There's also a convenient on-off switch, so you can easily control the lighting without having to unplug it every time. Not only is this tree a vibrant centerpiece, but it's also eco-friendly. The low energy consumption of the fiber optic lights helps you celebrate without worrying about your electricity bill. And while it's designed with Christmas in mind, the vibrant light effects and compact build make it a versatile piece for other occasions too. Think Halloween parties, weddings, or just everyday festive decor in living rooms, hallways, bedrooms, or offices. In conclusion, the Habagou 3-feet pre-lit fiber optic Christmas tree offers the perfect blend of convenience, beauty, and festive flair. It's lightweight, easy to set up, safe to use, and full of life with its mesmerizing multicolor fiber optic lighting. Whether you're in a small apartment, decorating your office desk, or looking for a second tree to enhance your holiday theme, this one is definitely a top contender. That's why we at Product Critique confidently label it the best fiber optic Christmas tree for multicolor indoor decor. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more holiday decor tips and product breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one, and happy decorating!